How to remove Google Chrome extensions. Instead of uninstalling the extension and having to set it up again later, I'll show you how to temporarily disable it and turn it back on whenever you need it. And how to permanently remove Google Chrome extensions. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now move your cursor to the top right corner of the browser window. Click the three-dot menu. From the menu that appears, move down and click Extensions. Then click Manage Extensions. You'll now see all the extensions currently installed in Chrome. Find the extension you want to temporarily turn off. On the extensions card, look for the toggle switch. Now click the toggle once. When the switch changes from blue to gray, the extension has been successfully disabled. It has not been removed, so you can easily turn it back on whenever you need it. Whenever you want to use the extension again, simply return to the same page. Then click the gray toggle switch one more time. When it changes back to blue, the extension is enabled again. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled a Chrome extension without uninstalling it. If this quick tutorial helped you troubleshoot your browser, subscribe to the channel for more simple, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.